I get it. You don't even want to think about decluttering, but you also know you can't keep living like this. So you keep putting it off and it just keeps sitting there. And every time you see it, it takes a little bit out of you. Let's not start by doing more. Let's start by making this feel doable. Before you touch anything, you need a plan. Not a perfect plan, just enough to get clear on what you actually want to change. What's working right now and what's not. This is exactly what I walk my clients through, and I've been doing this in real homes for over a decade. Because when everything feels like everything, your brain doesn't know where to land. Instead of trying to do it all, give yourself a stopping point. Not how long you're going to finish, but how long you're willing to show up. Because when your brain knows this isn't going to last forever, it's a lot easier to start. And before your brain even gets the chance to check out, plan your break. Not if, when. Because that moment you suddenly feel done, that's not random. Instead of disappearing from it, you step away, you reset, and you come back. And there needs to be something on the other side of this. Not just good job, but something that actually feels like a reward to you. Something that makes your brain go, okay, I can stay in this a little bit longer. Because at some point, you're going to want to stop. And that's when and where your why comes back in. Not the pressure, just the reason. That thing that told you, I don't want to keep living like this anymore. Make it easier to stay in. Change the energy. Put something on. For me, if I'm doing something I really don't want to do, I'm putting Michael Jackson on. Because now I'm not just doing the task. I'm giving myself something easier to keep going. And remember, you don't need to do everything right now. Just pick your place to start. Stay there a little longer than you normally would. Ready to keep going? Check out this video next. It's awesome for getting started when you're overwhelmed.